students, class 10, exercise number 4.2, question number 1. In triangle ABC, D and E are the point on the sides AB and AC respectively. So this is the triangle ABC, D and E are the points of the side AB and AC, such that the condition D is parallel to BC. The condition D is parallel to BC if AD divided by DB is equal to AD divided by DB is given as 3 by 4 and the AC is given as 15. We want to find out what is AE. So the AD is equal to 3 and the DB is equal to 4 and then AC total is 15. Here we want to find out what is AE. Let me take it as AE is equal to X means. What about that EC? Then EC is equal to 15 minus X. The total is 15 means A to E should be subtracted. So 15 minus X is equal to EC. Here the condition is given as DE is parallel to BC. The condition given, so we can use the formula of BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Let's go to the solution. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. We know the formula AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. AE divided by EC. This is the formula. Now we know the value of what is AD divided by DB, that is 3 by 4 is equal to AE. We have take it as X. And EC is 15 minus X. Now cross multiplication. I take this term to multiple here. 3 into 15 minus X is equal to, this 4 should be taken to another side. So 4X. Now multiply the 3 inside. 3 15s are 45 minus 3 into X is 3X is equal to 4X. I take this variable term to one side. This 3x take it to another side means we get 45 is equal to 4x plus 3x. Now sum of this term is equal to 7x. We need the value of x only. So x is equal to 45 divided by 7. I take this 7 to another side, so it will be divided. 7 6 are 42, right? 7 6 are 42 and then remaining 3. We put on decimal places 0, 7 4s are 28 and then remaining 2, 20 means 7 3s are, right? So the value of x is equal to 6.43 centimeter. That is, therefore AE is equal to 6.43 centimeter. That is the answer. Let's see the second Roman number also. Let's see the Roman number 2. The same question, triangle ABC, D and E are the points on the side of AB and AC respectively, such that D is parallel to BC if AD is given as and then DB, AE and EC is given. Find the value of X. So we have draw a triangle, that is ABC, DE is parallel to BC. We have the terms. So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC by BPT or Thales theorem, by basic proportionality theorem. We know the formula AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Now apply the given value of AD is given as 8x minus 7 and DB is given as 5x minus 3 is equal to AE is 4x minus 3 divided by EC is 3x minus 1. Now cross multiplication, I take this term to this side and this term to this side, like this cross multiplication. So 8x minus 7 into 3x minus 1 is equal to 4x minus 3 into 5x minus 3. Right? Now multiply the terms. Binomial into binomial form, 8x should be taken multiple with 3x and 8x should be taken multiple with minus 1. So 8 3s are 24, x into x, x square, plus into minus, minus, 8x into 1 is 8x. And the 7 should be multiple with 3x and 7 should be multiple with minus 1, right? minus into plus is minus, 7 3s are 21x, minus into minus plus, 7 1s are 7. Here also the same, binomial into binomial form, right? 4 5s are 20x square, 4x minus, so minus, 4 3s are 12x. Here the term minus into plus minus, 3 5s are 15x, minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9. Now we add the terms, that is 24x square. Here also we have minus, here also we have minus, so minus, add the term 29x plus 7 is equal to, here we have 20x square, both are negative symbols, so minus 27x plus 9. I take this whole term to this side, 24x square minus 29x plus 7 minus 20x square. If it is plus symbol means if we take this another side we get negative. Here we have minus, so put plus 27x, here we have plus, so minus 9 equal to 0. So 24x square minus 20 is equal to 4x square minus 29x plus 27 means here we have negative symbol is the highest number. If you subtract this we get 2x plus 7 minus 9. When we subtract we get minus 2 equal to 0. Right? See, all the terms are divided by 2. So 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. By simple factorization we can able to find the value. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. If you add or subtract we need minus 1. That is 2 1s are 2. Here we have negative symbol, so put minus. So minus 2 into 1 is 2. If we add we get minus 1. And then we have multiple by 2, so divide by the 2, same number, here we get 1. So x minus 1 is the one of the factor, and 2 will be taken to x, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 is another factor. Here x is equal to 1, here x is equal to, that is 2x plus 1 equal to 0, then 2x is equal to minus 1. Then x is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. So x is equal to 1 and then x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the answer. But in the measurement, negative values, if you are measuring the length or anything, negative value is not possible. So we are omitting this negative value. So here we have the value of x is equal to 1 is the answer. So negative value is not possible, so we take only the positive value. So x is equal to 1 is the value of x. Thank you, students.